Moving ahead. Now these type of examples are very easy and you can easily score the marks. Right? First of all, you have to remember all the formula that we have learned. The first one, an item bought for rupees 18,000 was sold for rupees 15,300. Find loss in percentage. Here already is given to you that you will suffer a loss. અહીંયા શું સફર થશે? લોસ સફર થશે. તો obviously છે what will be the bigger? The cost price will be bigger, right? And here from the statement we can easily identify the item bought. Bought means it suggests the cost price. Bought એટલે શું suggest કરશે? Cost price. So CP is equal to 1800 rupees. બરાબર? Was sold. Sold means વેચી દીધું. Selling price. So your SP that is equal to 15,300 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find loss in percentage. So loss in percentage is equal to how much? Now to find loss in percentage, what is required? The loss in rupees. શું required છે? Loss. સામા? Rupees. બરાબર? So first we will find loss in rupees. So here as CP is greater than SP. You can easily identify the greater than. Therefore, loss in rupees is equal to 18,000 minus 15,300. That is equal to 18,000 minus 15,300. 0, 0, 17, 10, 7 and 2. और डायरेक्ट करवानी बेसवानो प्रेमથી કરી લેવાનું. Right? That is 2,700 rupees. Are you getting? Are you getting? Now what we have to find? Loss in percentage. So loss in percentage, what is the formula? Is equal to loss in rupees upon CP multiplied by 100. એ કોની સાથે ડીલ કરશે? કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ સાથે જ ડીલ કરશે. બરાબર? ચલો પ્લેસ ધ વેલ્યુ. That is loss in rupees 2,700 upon cost price multiplied by 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 2 9s are 2 5s are 9 1s are 9 3s are, that is 9 3s are, sorry 5 3s are 15. Therefore loss in percentage is equal to 15%. rupees नहीं लगता, ये तो मानी लगा. Right? Loss in percentage is equal to 15%. Idea वो? चलो next one. A shopkeeper bought a chair for rupees 450. So what is 450? That is your cost price. That is 450 rupees. And sold it for rupees. So your selling price, that is your 486 rupees. Find gain or loss. Means what? We have to find profit or loss. That is in percentage. That is equal to how much? Now compare the term. SP is greater than CP. Therefore, profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is SP? Minus what is CP? 450. Which is equal to
36.
36 સાચે? Right? So your profit that is equal to 36 rupees. What we have to find? Profit in percentage. So now profit in percentage is equal to profit in rupees upon CP multiplied by 100. So that is equal to, chalo bolo,
36 upon 450 multiplied by 100.
0 0
Cancel.
5 9 za 5 2 za 9 1 za 9 4 za and 4 2 za 8. So what will be the profit? Profit in percentage that is equal to 8%. Clear થયું કેવી રીતે sort out કરવાનું છે? Right? Most important example. The cost of a flower vase is rupees 120. Cost is given to you, means cost price is there. So step by step we will write the details given to us. So cost price that is equal to rupees 120. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%. Now here the loss is given to you in the form of percentage. Loss સામાં આપેલું છે આપણને percentage ના ફોર્મમાં, બટ આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલામાં કઈ આવે? રૂપીસ ના ફોર્મ. બરાબર? પણ આપણે જે છે તે લખી લઈએ. So loss in percentage is equal to 10%. Get it? Straight થાય છે. Find the price at which it is sold. Now what we have to find? Selling price. What we have to find? Selling price. Right? So we are very familiar with the formula. Which formula? Okay, loss is equal to CP minus SP. But here loss is in the form of rupees. Okay na?
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
Loss is in the form of rupees.
Yes.
But here it is given to you in percentage. Then what to do? What to do? So karso. Use that formula. Which formula? The loss in percentage is equal to loss in rupees upon CP multiplied by 100. Barabar. Do you have loss in percentage? Yes. Do you have CP? So I can easily find loss in rupees. મળશે કે નહીં? Form an equation. Therefore, what is loss in percentage? 10 is equal to loss in rupees. We have to find upon CP 120 multiplied by 100. કેટલાને સમજ પડી શું કર્યું છે તે? આઈડિયા આવ્યો? Are you getting me?
Yes.
ચાલો. Now transfer. Therefore 10 120 ઉપર ચાલ્યું જશે multiply by 120. 120 का शिफ्ट થઈ ગયું લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ પર. 100 કયા ફોર્મમાં છે? બીજી બાજુ upon 100 is equal to loss in rupees. Therefore 0 0 0 0 cancel. So loss in rupees is equal to કેટલાનો આઈડિયા આવ્યો અહીંયા સુધી? જાઓ ahead. Can I move ahead? Now using this formula, that is loss is equal to CP minus SP. Therefore what is loss? Be careful, 10 ની મૂકી દેતા નહીં તો ભૂલ પડી જશે. Is equal to what is CP? 120 minus SP. Again you can say equation is form. SP is in which form? Negative. On another side is equal to 12 over here positive. On another side negative. That is 120 minus 12. Therefore SP is equal to 108 rupees. 108 rupees. Get it? Sure? समझ पड़ी? શું કહ્યું છે તે આ 12 ક્યાં ગયો ને SP ક્યાં આવ્યો તે સમજ પડી? We have just formed an equation. બરાબર? એટલે આ ચેપ્ટરમાં ઇક્વેશન આવવાનું જ છે તમારી પાસે. ચાલો another one. Most IMP I my favorite one. Right? My favorite sir. Right? કાથી કાં જો હે ને કાથી શું આવશે એમ જ મજા છે. My favorite sir. Right? ચાલો સ્માઈલ કરતા છે. Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. So here SP is equal to 540 rupees. Right? From the first sentence. If the profit made by shopkeeper is 20. So here what is given to you? Profit in percentage is equal to 20. What we have to find? Is equal to how much? So what we can use?
Profit is equal to SP minus
SP upon
Profit in percentage is equal to profit in rupees upon CP multiplied by 100.
20 upon
percentage.
5.
Now what to do? Commissioner police to mole nahi apni paase. What we do? What we do? So let cost price be
X.
let cost price be X. बराबर? चलो बड़ी वैल्यू रिप्लेस करिए. Therefore, what is profit in percentage? 20 is equal to profit in rupees we have to find upon what is CP? Multiplied by 100. Therefore, 20 multiplied by X upon 100 is equal to profit in rupees. 21s are 20, 5s are. Therefore, profit in rupees that is equal to X upon. Can an idea evo? થોડો વિચિત્ર છે. કમિશનર પોલીસ આપણી પાસે નથી. That is cost price આપણી પાસે નથી. Now profit is equal to SP minus CP. Therefore, what is profit? Is equal to minus therefore X upon 5 plus X is equal to 540. Here fraction is there. So how it can become 2x? What do you have to take? LCM. What do you have to take? LCM. Therefore, here 1, here 5. 1 into x, 5 into x upon is equal to result LCM શું આવ્યો 5. Therefore 6x upon 5 is equal to, therefore direct કરું છું આ કે x is equal to 540. 5 is in denominator, on another side
Multiplication.
6 in numerator, on another side division, right? 6 बोलो 6 ones are 6 90s are, and 9 5s are 450. So your x is equal to 450 rupees. Your x is equal to 450 rupees.